In this video, I want to speak about two words, the words synes and tror, and when do we use them. Okay, so both words, both synes and tror, they can be translated into English as I think, right? So jeg synes, jeg tror can be I think, but slightly different, right? So when we want to express our personal opinion about something that we have experienced, right? So your personal opinion about your personal experience, that would be the word synes. For example, you're learning Norwegian, you're studying with this book called På vei, so you have experience with this book, and you can say, jeg synes at denne boka vanskelig. I think that this book is difficult. Jeg synes at denne boka interessant. Yeah, I think that this book is interesting. Yeah, so, but this is based on your personal experience, right? I have never studied Chinese, but people tell me that Chinese is difficult. I never studied it, so I don't have any personal experience there. So I cannot say, jeg synes at kinesisk vanskelig. That would be wrong. That would mean that I am studying it, right? But with something that I do have my personal experience, there I can say, I live here in Tromsø, and I can say, jeg synes ikke at klimaet så bra. I don't think that climate here is very good. Well, that is my personal experience. You might be also living in Tromsø, and you might think differently, and you might say, nei, jeg synes at det helt greit. I think that's perfectly all right. Right, so that is synes. So synes is your personal opinion about something that you personally are experiencing or have experienced. It can never be used about future. So I can never say, jeg synes at det blir fint vær I morgen. That would be wrong. Yeah, so that cannot be right because that is future. Right. And then the word tror. So tror is I think, in the context I believe, I suppose. So this is, not necessarily your personal opinion and not necessarily about something that you have experienced. So I can say, jeg tror at det blir en varm sommer. I believe that the summer will be warm. But again, I cannot know for sure. It's something in the future, so I cannot use synes. I can say, jeg tror. Again, I never studied Chinese, and I can say, jeg tror at kinesisk vanskelig. So, I believe that Chinese is difficult, but I don't have any experience with it. What else can we say, jeg tror about? If I give you a book, and I think that you will like it, then I can only believe about your preferences or how you are going to react to this book. So then I say, jeg tror du kommer til å like den. So I believe you're going to like it. Right? So that is synes and that is tror. One of my Norwegian friends told me that you foreigners synes for mye. So he didn't mean bad. He just said that foreigners use too much the word synes, where it works better to say tror or something else. Yeah, if you're totally confused and you feel like, okay, that's too difficult, it's too much to think about, well, there is a trick. You can almost always use the word tenker. So, jeg tenker, and I hear young people use it a lot. Ja, hva tenker du om det? Jeg tenker det blir bra. So that works just fine. And also the word mener. So mener is expressing a little bit stronger opinion about something. Ja, hva mener du? Skal vi selge huset eller ikke? So, what do you think? Should we sell the house or not? Right? So synes your personal opinion about something that you have experienced. Tror is what you think, what you believe. Something also that can be checked. You know, if I ask you, what is the capital of... oh no, I'm so bad with geography. Bad example. if I ask, what's the weather in Oslo now? And I say, jeg tror at det er varmt. I think it's warm, and you're not quite sure, but we can check it. So then it is tror. So something that is easy to check. That would be tror. About future, we can never say synes, we can say tror. Yeah, but for both of them, we kind of can use the words tenker and mener.